morning, everybody. Tracy Pello Sunshine here from Uniquely Creative with day number 22 of our Advent kit from 2022. We are going to open up this one here and see what's inside. Oh, it's kind of hard.
Jingle
What do you reckon it is?
Jingle bells.
Sunshine Pelcom.
Sunshine likes jingle bells.
She loves jingle bells. Sunshine is beautiful. What is it?
I'm trying to get it. The envelope's slippery.
Oh, these are some of our tweezers. These are some of my most favourite tweezers that you can possibly get, and we've made some of our very own. These are perfect for doing all your fun things. So these are great tweezers. We hope you enjoy these, and we'll be back tomorrow to show you what else we got. Bye.
Bye.